Well, let us see what is the next thing that Blender has to offer. So before going further, what you need to do is go to edit, and in the preferences you need to search for add-ons. In the add-on section you search for extra, you get this add mesh extra objects. What this does is, let me get this side, and then go to add mesh and you get this extra objects. And in this extra object we are going to see this entire section. So let me delete this object, go to add, go to mesh, go to pipe joints and go to pipe elbow. What this does is, it gives you a pipe which has the option to increase or decrease its radius, its divisions, the quality of pipe you want, the angle you want, 90 degrees angle or minus 90 degrees angle, what you want its length to be, and what you want its end length to be, how you want to align it according to the world or according to the view from where you are viewing it, or you want to align it according to the 3D cursor. You can change its location as well, in Z axis, in X axis, in Y axis, and that's for this pipe. Let me type G and then Y and then move aside, go to add mesh, and the next pipe is T joint. It's exactly what it's shown like. This is T joint. You can increase its radius, you can increase the divisions, how quality you want. One more thing you need to keep in mind while working with this kind of pipes is, if the divisions is 41, this is an odd number and you get a notification here, odd vertices number is not supported yet. So when you try to change the angle, nothing happens. But when you keep it even, 42 is an even number, and now if I change the rotation, now you can change this angle. Length start is this length end is this one, and arm length is this one. This looks like morning wood, doesn't it? For those who don't know, it's a wood that comes in the morning. So if you want, you can align it according to these things. If you want, you can change the location in X axis, Y axis, Z axis. Let us change in Y axis and keep it aside. Let me take the next pipe. Let me also move it in the X axis as well. So let us go to add mesh, and then the next pipe joint is Y joint. You can change the radius, you can change the divisions. Odd numbers are not supported by the angles. You can change this angle, you can change this angle, you can change the length of the start, you can change the length of the arm, you can change the length of this arm as well, and you can align it according to the world, according to the view, according to the 3D cursor. You can change its location in X axis, Y axis, Z axis. Let me change it in X axis. Go to add, go to mesh, go to pipe joints, and then go to cross joints. Here you can change the radius, the divisions, the radius of the pipe, the divisions of the pipe, how quality you want the divisions to be, the angle of the pipe. Let me reduce the radius, the angle of the pipe, how best you want to get the angle. If you click somewhere else, the sub menu goes away. So what you need to do is tap F9, and what you can do is get this somewhere here, and then you can change the angle, change this angle, change the angle at the center, change the length of these arms, or you can align it according to the world view or 3D cursor. Change its location. Let's change its location according to X. It feels like someone is going like this. Go to add, go to mesh, and go to pipe joints and end joints. N means number of joints. Radius is 1. Let me reduce the radius. Divisions is 32. Keep it even number if you want to get some changes. Arm joints, I have 5 joints. If you want, you can make it 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. a super mega joint. Length, if you want to increase its length, or if you want to align it according to the world, to the view, or through the 3D cursor. And these are the different types of pipes that Blender comes with. 5 types of pipes. So that's it for this, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and if you want to support me personally, Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm number is given in the description, and if you want, you can support me through Patreon page. Links will be given in the description as well, or leave a comment to make me feel better. So with that being said and done, try to see it, learn it, and understand it. I will see you in the next video.